130 athletes from 15 countries are down to contest 19 events in just over 3 hours of competition at the fourth staging of the race's Adidas Grand Prix, set for Saturday, June 8 at the National Stadium. The official launch was held this morning at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, and Spencer Darlington was there.
With a host of World, Olympic and Commonwealth Games champions and other medalists slated to be on show, the women's 100 and 400 meters, along with the men's 100, 200 and 400 meters, are among the star-studded events on the program. Two-time Olympic and three-time world champion over the distance, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, who has never lost at the Racers Grand Prix, headlines the field for the women's 100 meters, as well as Commonwealth Games champion Michelle Yayi of Trinidad and Tobago. The women's one-lap event will feature 2016 Olympic champion Shawnee Miller-Weibo of the Bahamas and reigning world champion Phyllis Francis of the United States. On the men's side, the 100 meters will have the likes of former world record holder Safa Powell, Nesta Carter, Kemar Bailey-Cole, and defending champion Zarnell Hughes, who is also the current European champion.
I'm looking forward to the Racers Grand Prix. It's always exciting to be competing there. With a field that's expected to be there, it's going to be fast. Fast times should be expected as well, and I'm looking to be amongst that.
A high-quality field will also assemble in the 200 meters, where 5 of the competitors have gone under 20 seconds, including Jamaican rising star Akeem Bloomfield. The 400 meters will bring together 2011 world champion and 2012 Olympic winner Kirani James, who is making a belated start to his season, as well as last year's Diamond Trophy winner Fred Curley and Jamaica's World Championship finalist Demish Gay. Commonwealth Games champions and national record holders Frederick Dakers and Daniel Thomas Dodd headline the list of competitors for the field events. Chairman of the organizing committee Glenn Mills says negotiations are ongoing to book more athletes for this year's staging.
We think we'll have some more names to announce. Certainly in a number of the races where the lanes are, it's not that we don't have people to fill the lanes, but if you're a bigger star, then you're going to displace a lesser thing. And we try to reserve at least 3 to 4 lanes for Jamaicans so that they can have the ability to compete and sharpen up for the trials.
Mills also revealed that discussions are underway for the future expansion of the meet to include new events such as the steeplechase.
The countries surrounding us, including the United States, etc., are having discussion with us to see how they can be more involved so that their athletes, more of the athletes can come and participate. Because the trip to Europe is not really working out for everybody. Only these real superstars that are really getting into races and benefiting.
TVJ, TVJ-SN and One Spot Media will have live and exclusive coverage of the Racers Adidas Grand Prix, while live and extensive radio coverage will be on Hits 92 FM. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.